Marcus Garrett here from Life After Debt with the Marcus Garrett. Want to do a quick review of a new brand that I'm trying, Stately Men at statelymen.com. They market themselves as a premium menswear brand that you know and trust without the markups. How did we get here today? Basically, I wanted to find more casual clothes, more good fitting clothes, and I'm too lazy to pick it out for myself. So I was looking for a curated box, out of the box experience. And just so you don't think I'm lying, out of the box experience, so you know I actually have it here. Comes in that box. You can see my unboxing video I did one for TikTok and for Instagram, and then here's a personalized letter right there to "Hi Marcus." Hopefully y'all can read that each of you will get from your stylist. It says, "Welcome to Stately. I'm so excited to style your first box since we are in the fall. I decided to start you off with some must-have staple pieces for the season. For your pants, I included the Ben Sherman plaid pants." So this is my first box. I got a green pair of pants that were actually pretty good, wife approved, and it's something that I would have never picked out for myself. So that's why I want to start with Stately. You can also get their out of the box. So they send you a box of curated clothing every month. I am on the Luxe plan, which is $179 a month. That might sound like a little, that might sound like a lot, depends. I'm actually wearing a shirt from the box. This is a Stacey Adams. I'll go through each item actually. This is a Stacey Adams black collared shirt. I love what came out of the box. I'm definitely going to continue to stick with them. I'm on the Luxe plan, and then I had the, I think it was $500 off. So I bought this during the holidays. I think this is a great holiday gift. That's when I'm dropping this video, and I'll do an unboxing review every time that a new box arrives. So this first box, once again, for $179, came with, so I'll get 3 bonus outfits with my clothes. So it'll be interesting, or with my boxes. It'll be interesting to see how the future boxes will go. But this one came with brushed waffle long sleeve shirt, home long sleeve polo, 5 pocket plaid pant, Stacey Adams, which I'm wearing right here, solid poplin long sleeve dress shirt, reversible brown leather belt. Wait, it's reversible, so it's brown and black. And I got a Ben Sherman long sleeve textured crew, as well as unsimply stitched crew socks.